come to thus far. Over the last 12 months, I've been fortunate to have the pleasure to meet some real powerful individuals as part of the Lewisham Way Black Fathers Group. And when I mentioned to them that I was thinking of building a new school from scratch, they was all very supportive. I mean, over the years, some of them have come down to the existing school, Princess Diana Wales School in Cololi, and they've come back with a real passion to help build a new school. And I'd like to thank Desi Texture, the people who drew all the art, done all the architect work for the building, and Raggy, otherwise known as Bakary Bojang. He's the mayor of Lamin, who's kindly donated some land with another member of the Fathers Group, Mr. X, who runs Erase Foundation. They donated half the land, and the other half I'd bought, and so the children could have a playground. And one more time, I have to say thank you to all the people who's helped thus far. In April this year, 2010, I'd kept a fundraising show with the Fathers Group in Nettleford Hall, West Norwood, and we had artists like Janet Kay, Peter Anningale, Victor Romero Evans made a cameo, appearance, alongside Dennis Boville, and quite a few artists we had this year, and we raised £2,000. I went down to Gambia in June, and we managed to start buying a whole heap of the materials like the sand and the gravel and the block making machines, and all the things that you need to start building a school. We had two children who used to collect the water because there's no water on the land, and these two children would travel 3 kilometers one way and 3 kilometers back on a donkey so that we could have water to mix the cement. So I went back to the Fathers Group and let them know what was happening. We sent down, let's say, £400 or £500 to start building a well, so that the children wouldn't have to travel so far now to get the water. We actually need the water on the land anyway. So one of the reasons I like to be in Gambia as well is it's one of the few places that you can, spar with the crocodiles. No problem. You can stroke them and, they won't bite you. And me thinking about doing something like that in this country, England, is a no-no, but for some reason when you're in tune with the elements in Gambia, it's no problem. So, enough respect to everyone who's been to the crocodile farm. I'll be going down to Gambia somewhere in the near future because fortunately we managed to send down a big shipment of books and school uniform and football kits and generators and encyclopedias and all kind of things that some kind people over the last years donated, and we ourselves at the Fathers Group has spent some money to send down. And we'd like to just thank one more time all the people who made some kind donations to send down to the schools in Gambia.